What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Dentitox Pro before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Dentitox Pro works. What is Dentitox Pro? Dentitox Pro stands out as a globally recognized dental supplement that has made a significant impact on the market. It tackles dental issues by focusing on three primary methods: reducing gum inflammation, eliminating plaque, and repairing damaged gums and teeth. How to use Dentitox Pro. To incorporate Dentitox Pro into your routine, simply take 6 drops 20-30 minutes before a major meal, be it breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Consistency is crucial for achieving positive results over time. Oral drops for comprehensive protection. Dentitox Pro is administered as oral drops, ensuring thorough coverage of the entire mouth. This method aims to maintain oral health and safeguard against harmful bacteria. Suitability for various dental issues. Dentitox Pro is suitable for individuals dealing with a variety of dental issues, as mentioned earlier. Effectiveness and duration. Dentitox Pro can prove effective for everyone who follows the recommended treatment regimen. Adhering to the manufacturer's guidelines is essential, and while results may vary, many users report experiencing positive outcomes within 3-6 months of consistent use. To steer clear of purchasing counterfeit items or products lacking a guarantee of authenticity, please exclusively visit the official website through the link provided in the video description. This will enable you to review comprehensive information about Dentitox Pro and make your purchase securely and confidently.